Hey, it's wash day. Alright, so as you can see here, I already have my favorite oils out. I'm just going to mix them together inside my little bottle, and I'm going to heat them up for 30 seconds to a minute in the microwave and apply it to my hair and scalp for 15 minutes. As you can see, I already have my sections divided, and I'm just going to divide my hair into smaller sections just so the oil can reach my scalp better. This wash day, I did want to try out my Chebe mix that I ordered last week. So as you can see, I'm just applying the oil, and don't be afraid to get it all over your scalp. But back to the mix, I ordered it last week. It's supposed to strengthen your hair and reduce breakage. I mixed the Chebe mix with moisturizer, grease, and sweet almond oil, as you can see here. I didn't want it to really be runny. I wanted it to kind of be thick, and as you can see, this is my result. After I washed my hair and everything, I just put in some leave-in conditioner and put it back into 4 sections for easy detangling. And before I apply the Chebe powder to my hair, I'm just going to run my detangler through one last time, you know, just to get those little hidden tangles. After I do this, I'm going to part my hair into how I want to style it, because after I apply the Chebe mix, I have to have it in my hair for 3 to 4 days before I repeat. So this makes it easier for me to not play in my hair for the rest of the week. So now I'm just going to moisten my hair a little bit more. It's already wet, but I'm going to wet it a little bit more. There's my mix. It's kind of thick. I'm just going to put it in my hair and work it on through. Work it out. So now that the majority of the front is done, I'm going to start on the back, and I just sectioned out sections for my twist on the sides, and I'm going to work my Chebe powder mix inside of there. And I have this section where my bantu knot's going to go, because that's going to be the middle section for my fro-hawk. And this is my finishing results, as you can see. Bantu knots all around, twist on the sides. You do to the front, you do to the back, and so on and so forth. Just put your scarf on, and I'm not sure if I'm going to take these all the way out in the morning, but we'll see. Alright, so it's morning time, guys, and I said that I wasn't sure if I was going to take this out or not, but I actually did end up going to work, and I got off early, and I just decided that I did, you know, want to take my hair out and just see the results. So I'm just going to pull out the bantu knots, and I'm only going to undo the bantu knots in my middle section where I have my twist up on the sides. I'm not really going to touch those too much except to pin them up. So I still have the Chebe powder mix in my hair. It's not an overwhelming smell. It actually smells really good. My hair smells really good. It's soft. It's not dry or flaky. My hair doesn't look like, you know, dandruffy or anything like that. So this just goes to show that you can still have the Chebe powder mix in your hair and, you know, go out and be cute and have a little style. So that is my review, and this is my Chebe powder fro-hawk protective style. Update in 3 to 4 days, guys. Check you later.